Okay, are you kidding me right now? Do you have a tree? We just got here at the Ghirardelli Square. So we're gonna go that. Yeah, I wanna show the thing. See? All right, cool. Okay, let's see. So look at the line at the Ghirardelli itself. So, alright, everybody wants a piece of it. I don't blame them. Look at the line. Holy crap. To film, but we started walking here on this area, and this is Cucina Siciliana serving fresh fish since 1946. We're not gonna eat, but it's a beautiful thing. And look, and we keep walking on the street here.
Kind of reminds us of Florida a little bit because of just how it's like,
everything reminds us of Florida.
Different areas do.
Some restaurants over there. We're gonna keep walking this way, that way to the Fisherman Wharf. Over there.
We'll take some video of the ocean. We just went over there and it's not too cold.
No, it's
we
fine.
forgot to film it.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at babe. Gotta get out of the way. Alright, we just got here at Fisherman Wharf. Now onto the passive aggressive candy section. First the sour and then the sweet. Kinda like Josh. I think I told this joke multiple times before, but every time I come over here I said the same joke about you. Because Sour Patch is just like you. First is sour and then they sweet.
That is Joanna's jam. This is my jam. Check this out.
that stuff. My dad wanted from Dollar Tree and I can never find it to him. Maybe I should send him. How much is it? Yeah, 175 on my ticket.
How much for shipping? 50?
No, I have the box that I have to send. It's no problem.
It's okay. It's worth it.
Yeah,
He'll be happy.
he'll be so happy.
At the front desk. What do you mean where it is? At the front desk.
So here's a better view of Alcatraz. We're thinking about doing a tour, but we have to find out about it.
Restaurants around here. There's a gift shop, like fish and chips. It's a good place to spend the afternoon. Fresh fruit. Trish's mini donuts. One of my biggest wishes is to have one of these apples and bite it, but I can't. It's so sad. It's just really sad because when I was 9 years old, I broke my teeth. And the doctor told, when I fixed it, the doctor told me, you can never, ever, ever eat a caramel apple. I was 9 and then I was like, you can never. I can bite this way and then eat it, but not.
So I simply enjoy it for it.
Okay, are you kidding me right now? Do you have a tree hanging caramel
Filled with
apple
them.
filled with them? Are you trying to tell me something? Are you trying to, like, I don't know, because it's so sad.
You don't really need that tooth.
I kind of need the tooth. It's kind of hanging by a thread. Man. I think this is a corn dog.
Yes.
So hang on.
And a corn dog and Coke. First time eating a corn dog.
Oh, well. That's good. That's not bad.